Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, a franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what I come for represent in a full effect. You know it go already, you know. When we aim up, crank up, load up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion, boy. What? Hear me, no, man? Tell me where the hell this a go on YouTube. How long me I want and I tell you no say. You can't listen to some bloggers where I go like them want lead you astray. It's just like you have your good eyesight and you make a blind man a lead you. Me not tell you no that. Furthermore, let me tell you something. The man them don't ever have no loyalty in them heart. A real thing me I tell you about. You see where me I deal with? A lollipop thing them a run down. But hear me. I tell you already, say I big up Soul Flow TV. Although enough people find him can cheer. But if you go bash a man for the bad thing where him do, you have to big him up for the good thing them where him do too. Soul Flow drop some real interested video where enough people have no acknowledgement of them thing they are going in the country. Because them don't go as far as do so much research because people busy and take care of them personal shit. Right? Watch. I say big up rapper crapper. Them man they show video about anything or anybody. You see where I deal with and for a man will splice up the thing like that and give everybody peace. It's a good look. What? I big up Video Link Jamaica because I tell you them that the wickedest thing I hear the review in my 2 years. I don't know about nobody. The way the man construct him thing and not how him chat about him not tell no lie. Man, you have facts and proof for everything where him talk about. So I say big respect to Video Link Jamaica. What? I big up Yeti Boss TV because them youth they stay true to where them do. You see when I deal and them youth they say Gaza and him nah let go. I feel like say even if you hold him and I go kill him still I go say Gaza. Because so him determined upon that shit that's why the people them give him the love and the respect where him have. What? Here man, I big up Virgil TV. Because here enough people find Virgil can cheer but I don't see it, all my gun see it. Here I go on. Sometimes, you know, I just the way Virgil edit him video wrong, you know, but most of what them youth they tell you about a real thing still, you know. And them youth they represent for Gaza hard. And I like that, you see what I deal with? What? Here I go on why I tell you all of them things there. I see some man right now, you know. Them run past Movada's son, you know. Them not come out, you know, and do no video about Movada's son, you know. Them run past Movada's son and I talk about Movada's son. Tell me how that. You know what I mean? Them run past Movada's son, you know. Run past the youth, you know. Them not do no video about it, you know. But no, them want to review about Movada's son. You know, see them youth are lollipop youth. You know, see them youth are clown. Hear me now, Yeti Boss. Me hear you say, Mother, you know, is not a Rasta man, you know, because him have man talking and video, you know, about sucking pussy, you know. Here I go on. It never have to reach this Yeti because if Mother was a Rasta man, he would have been do a culture album long time. Him have the vice seat. What you think? Him not have the vice seat? Him have the vice seat, but him not do that because him not a Rasta man. You see what I deal with? And if Mother was a Rasta man, Alkaline couldn't say body wash and run on upon him like that. He would have to apologize or have to shape up himself properly. Remember, you know? And yeah, as I remember rass Alkaline, a rass now too, you know. So if you know them things, they are just entertainment thing. I like look away and them. You see what I deal with? I don't know a lollipop thing, but no boy now go come and tell you about that. You think no boy go tell you about that? But make a did Vibes Cartel. And you that hear all broke loose. But what's this? All you have to do, you know, go up on Google and say dancehall artist and watch who you see first come up. Vibes Cartel come up. Popcorn. Then Alkaline. Then Movada. Then I think Beanie Man and Bounty Killer and Buju Banton, the veteran them after. But let me tell you this. Popcorn do in front of Vibes Cartel, you know. You must say Vibes Cartel first, Popcorn second, then Alkaline third and Movada. So Google have them, so Google have the thing print out, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. And then here to me hear you say, the man come like L.A. Lewis. L.A. Lewis no a big clone from long time, man. Because L.A. Lewis is a man, you know, who sell out himself, you know. Thus in the spotlight and hype, you know. I want you to know that, you know. So when him call himself 7-star general, you know, I don't know how him get him thing, you know. 80. You know, you know. And from me a 12-year-old, you know. I run football wicked, you know. I play all prep, all star, you know, the best set of 13-year-old in the country, you know. And I know a lollipop thing, you know, 80. And I don't wear nothing about number 10, you know. So anyway, I go to the 10-star general that them tell you about, you know. And some have my name, you know. So nobody believe say I come on YouTube and I make up something, you know. No. A people carry my boots for my man. And I have one bag of people behind my dog. Yeah, man. A people carry my gun for my man when I go play, man. And I have one bag of crowd behind my man. And on a lollipop thing, man. I ask Jeffrey Max tell them about my man. They will tell you, man. No one not tear down Campion College. But the bomb buckler there, the whole of Matilda's corner my place. And on a lollipop thing. Them boy there, I see go at the youth funeral. Then the youth must vice me. I remember if a vice mail them or one of them youth the funeral them go. Big name brand funeral and be a Chris vehicle roll out and them shit there. I remember, you know, L.A. Lewis crashing a Beanie Man brand new Hardy truck, you know. And when Beanie Man, you know, say him no want a bumper upon him vehicle, you know, brand new thing you want to get back, you know. L.A. Lewis I tell the man, you know, if the ship in the sea can't fix, the ship way in the bottom of the sea can't fix, or the go like the vehicle can't fix. I who tell him for say so? The man them give him some bomb buckler lick. And I saw him carry file charge against Beanie Man and carry the man go to court and win the case. And when him win the case, him buy a brand new van. And I show off say him want the man come beat him again. Rasta no do them thing, the man. Rasta no make man but abuse them body for money, dog. You see what I deal with? So I tell you, say them are all fashion rass. And that I want to make you know. Because when Sizzler does a bus, you know, and the most youth you have rass in Jamaica, especially jungle. The whole of jungle top youth them rass. I can't tell you that because the youth them I'm chef member them. Make him tell you how the youth them rass. A Sizzler Kalonji cause that. The whole of the youth them rass. You see what I deal with? And move on to have the voice. And if him did have that, go in that doctrine, then I take on the doctrine, them who not tell you about Jesus. Him would not tell you about Selassie. When him take interview, him would not tell you about be upliftment. I tell you about struggle. And I tell you about the needs and the poverty of the poor people. Them. And I tell you about natural living and upliftment and love. And of them things them over deal with, man. Remember when Movada get him papers as him come back, him tell them it's a mansion in the sky take temperature, you know, so him lose the crowd, you know. Get up people and listen to them shit because them not have no up the rest of my brethren. You have to know where you sing to get up people, you know. Worse a dancehall and hardcore thing you deal with, you know. As I said, the man have the voice. He might do redemption song or even love song like where you see Jack hear them do. Or he might do upliftment song. Or song where against oppression. You see what I deal with? None of them shit there. So them a can't rass a fake, them a fake it. It's like look away in them. You see what I deal with? 80. A lollipop thing them a deal with. You see what I deal with? But these things where you hear me talk about, none of them bloggers the way you hear. You think them true to them subscriber. You think them met none of them subscriber them know all of these things where I go on. None of them sit down and them fake it and go on like say nothing and go on. Just like Terradan and CMR. Me not see them come out, come talk about Movada son, you know. You know what I mean? But them ready for do video about Movada song. So you see the type of thing when I talk about. But you don't know every time I come on YouTube, you know. A loud explosion every time, you know, you hear me drop necessary equipment, you know. What? 10 star way. Watch.